Hello, what's up guys? So today in this video I'm going to show you that how to make Facebook frame from your phone. So to know it, watch the full video till the end. First you need to download the Picot app. It just takes couple of seconds. Open the Picot app, then click on plus sign. Scroll down, choose the PNG background. You can see in first here. So go to crop. You can choose any type of format you want for the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. So I do in square format. Go to add photos. You can choose any type of picture or image, I choose here the Elon Musk. So I click on cutout, then select the person. It removes the background, and select only the person. So go in shadow, decrease the blur and opacity. So I try to drag it down to the bottom and adjust it. You can adjust by your own choice. Go to draw. You can choose any type of stickers or photos. I choose here the earth sticker, and there's lots of. You can just choose anyone, and I click on it and adjusted it. Right here you can see the brush icon. Click on it. Then choose the type of brush. I'm going to draw abstract lines. You can increase your creativity skill if you are good at drawing. After that, go to text. I'm writing here the saber. You can choose any type of font here and many more colors. You can even merge the two color gradient. Go to stroke. Apply lace and go to shadow. Put the blur 100 and opacity 100. You can put the different type of stickers here. I put a butterfly like this. You can put and you can enhance the picture. Click on next and save. You need to search on the internet Facebook frame here. You can see Facebook Studio for developers. Click on this. You can do from computer too. To do in computer, first you need to do the transfer the files that we have recently edited from Picot. You can see my video in I button or link in description. There I have shown how to transfer the files from iPhone to Windows computer. You can create a frame option here. Alright, so you can see a create option here. Click on it, then scroll down, choose create frame, click on get started. Upload the frame. So go in details, choose the name of frame, location, and you can do the review too. Click on publish. Finally the frame is published. Click on done. After that, go to action, click on add to profile, adjust it. Use your profile picture. As you can see here, here is the frame that I have recently added. So that's it. If you like this video, subscribe this channel, hit the like button, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.